basically the idea, the same way, I just want to draw a parallel here between the cognitive process of the model within an organizational context or within the company context, and the cognitive process of the model within a personal context. So the same way the my personal own ChatGPT is building interactions and connections and bridging the dots between the different conversations that I had with model over the past time. The Copilot is doing the same thing, except that the Copilot is doing it not just for you as a user, for one single person, but it's doing it for all the different parties, all the different actors, all the different people who are part of that organization or that firm or that firm. Okay, so that means that the goal of the Copilot is not just to build an understanding of the profiling of one single user, but is to do that at the first level, and then second, to actually bridge the connections and the dots and establish the patterns, not just for various conversations for a single user, but for various conversations for different users within an organization. And then, which means that the cognitive process which Copilot is doing is much more elaborated than what ChatGPT is doing at the personal level. So basically, first of all, the Copilot is profiling users like on an individual basis, and then it's profiling the organization through creating the connections between the different profiles and the different conversations and interactions that happens between the different users within a certain organization. So the computing analysis level that the Copilot is doing is much more elaborated than what the ChatGPT doing at a personal user level.